I'm checking this roof right here. It's a tile roof. They have a problem here next to the chimney. They have a leak inside the house. And let's see what the problem is. I'm here near the chimney area. The chimney has a bad installation behind. The tiles are placed the wrong way or too close to the chimney. Let's check something else here. Oh, right here we found it. We find a hole right here in the paper. You can also see the plywood here. You see the plywood right here? That paper is all deteriorated, and this is what is causing a roof leak right here nearby the chimney, next to the chimney. This problem needs to be fixed by putting new waterproofing felt on this area, removing all these tiles right here, and putting back the tile where it used to be. That tile needs to go up a little bit, so that way this will take care of the roof leak. These chimney corners right here, they also need to be fixed. They have to be resealed. This screw needs to be sealed because they are a problem too. But mainly this is the problem here. This is how we're gonna fix this leak, and also cut these tiles right here so they're not too close to the chimney, and the water will be able to drain properly. This is a tile roof repair, roof leak repair. This probably needs new sealer too. That one needs new sealer, and this one is new sealer right here. New sealer on that. This will fixing that little problem here behind the chimney, the tile. That will take care of the problem.